Tucked away from the hustle and bustle of Tamil Nadu, the small town of Tirupur is India's knitwear and hosiery hub. Here is where Zivame's butter soft nightwear is locally manufactured by Starline Apparels.
We are based out of Tirupur, the heart of manufacturing in Tamil Nadu. We have been partnering with Zivame last over 5 years. We have been in the manufacturing business for 7 years, working exclusively with Zivame for 5 years. And what an incredible journey it has been so far. Zivame and the Starline have a good partnership going, where they create great designs in beautiful prints and colors, and we make them come alive, naturally soft, 100% cotton nightwear. We provide employment to over 500 Indian workers. All take great pride in our work with Zivame.
We are essentially Indian. Exclusive partner stories with Zivame.